tia sensemere ya YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter tonyore wetera Ndizi TV News eri togendere gukomanyia amanke toko chaka mayeye chinsa isato ni watoko ya chaka kurwase county ya Nyamira wase umuwaziri w'isemi Professor George Magoha agenderete kurwa ogukurira gocyase abarokia abanene b'ekikuru kwene kyabunati bali kuba mentera bayibuli kibesa cinga ky'abarokirwa abachakire kwirana gocyase kiskuru yani ngaya kwa nase skuru ya secondary y'abanyaruka ya Sironga eyo gotoka se ebunge ya West Mugrango cingaki abaga kubeka lige na Rioporoso ruobwagachi bwebirasi bya CBC robati rwasenchira yo wekirano nigo muri kitoko rwase county ya Nyamira Job Monkey atwariganiretie
asetaro yaye ime county ya Nyamira umuwaziri w'ekisemi Professor Magoha naigora ebirasi bya CBC na kubeka lige na Rioporoso ase birasi ebiya ase skuru ya secondary yetinyaroka ya Sironga.
We have laid the foundation stone for the second phase of the classes that are here. The others that had been completed, we have commissioned. In the last, in this year, they admitted 815 girls for Form 1. This is precisely what the government of Uhuru Kenyatta has wanted.
Narwa ogochika gochya sabalimu abanene mbamenta tibesa che school fees nagwanchera abana bonsi ase sukuru.
We have not increased fees. We shall not increase fees. What we have not done is to decrease fees, even though the time is going to be short. If you attempt to increase fees on your own, it is at your own risk. I think we must serve the people that we are supposed to serve with them. We know that this time is going to be short, and that's the reason why we are asking the teachers to spare all the children.
Nateba eserekali nebegete ange goikerania omoroberio o CBC imeyense ya Kenya.
In terms of preparedness for CBC classrooms, I am glad to say that there are many classrooms, especially in the central region, which are already at the gable stage. I want to warn the contractors who are doing the second classrooms that I have noticed some kind of lackluster behavior. They started more than 2 months ago, and some of them have not even reached the lintel. Those classrooms shall be built, and they shall be built when we are still in government.
Asiate bamba begete obolendi obonene linde kolenda amalemo y'ekisukuru.
In the process of titling, we have titled several thousands of titles. As you remember, we have about 10,000 high schools and 30,000 primary schools. I don't think the public should worry. I have said, it's just that I don't have the power. If I had the power, anybody who touches land belonging to a child, that land should be taken immediately and reverted to the child.
Nigo akolera etaro yaye asense moye kerenyo ase aina na chitaito did cha maremo chisemi nachyo ekebungo kerabege koleta ogwonchereria asobugima kurwase skuru ya Sironga High School ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi.